What's up, guys? I'm Joshua, also known as Balboa. Yeah, I don't even know how to do this correctly. You guys can call me Balboa. Alright, so today I'm recording off my GoPro. I just bought my GoPro with my stimulus check. And I also got the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. The reason why I got the GoPro and the 12 Pro Max is because I'm going to be going on a motorcycle journey this summer. I'm taking it very seriously. I'm going to start off in Las Vegas and drive all the way to Niagara Falls. On the way, I'm going to be, stopping at friends' houses, and I'm also going to be meeting people that I've met online that I've never met before. And also, still on the way, if I don't make it to my destination, I'm going to be camping out at national parks around the United States. So I want to do an unboxing video of my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, so I took the plastic off and then I got the idea to do an unboxing video. So let's begin. This is what it looks like right out the box. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Okay. And all it comes with is the charger. I had to buy a little extra box to charge my phone, which is ridiculous. So let's turn it on. Basic Apple stuff. Hello. English. So, where'd my phone go? So the last iPhone I actually have is the 6 Plus, and I got it when I was 18, even though it was already 3 generations behind. I wanted the 6 Plus because of the aux port. But it's actually gotten to a point in time with my iPhone that everything is just running so slow now. And I want to start doing more sophisticated stuff. In my entire life growing up, I've been producing music on my phone, very sophisticatedly. And it's at a point in my life where I want to start shooting films and start getting my music on these films and editing the films on a device that's portable with me. My laptop can't really handle video editing because it just takes up a lot of file and space and CPU and a whole bunch of extra nonsense. So I'm converting from a 6 Plus to the 12 Pro Max. So United States. Set up manually. Data and privacy. Face ID. No, I don't want Face ID. The government's watching you guys. Set up later in settings. Apps and data. Restore from Mac or PC. Alright, so I gotta connect my phone to the PC now. My computer, which is right here. Get the thing out. I'm so mind blown right now. Okay. So it's connected to my computer right now. I'm loading up iTunes. And it's gonna be backing up. I'm gonna be doing a backup. So let me do this backup and I'll get back to you guys after. I have to download a newer version of iTunes too. Yeah, I'll just get back to you guys. So, if you guys look, I'm waiting about 28 minutes for it to restore back onto my new phone. So, the backup is gonna about 28 minutes. Get back to you then. 5 seconds! 5 seconds! Still 5 more seconds! Just 5 more seconds, guys! 5 more. Here we go. Any second now. Yeah! Yeah! Alright. I got my phone backed up. You know, my old phone is now on here. All my stuff, all my music, all my everything. Let's see what happens. Oh. It's updating. Okay, now I need to get back to you again. Alright guys, so finally updated. I'm not gonna show you my code. Software update complete. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 14.4. I had to sign into my Apple ID. Terms and conditions, agree. You know, who reads those? It says updating iCloud settings. Location services. Disable location services because I don't want people knowing where I'm at. That's just me. You know what I mean? Okay. Apple Pay, set up later. Because you know what? I don't want my phone having that, you know? I just don't trust it. Improve Siri and dictation. Share audio recordings. Help improve Siri and dictation by allowing Apple to store your audio interactions with Siri. Yeah, I'm going to curse at Siri. I hope it makes it better. iPhone analytics. Help Apple improve its products and services by allowing analytics of usage data from your iPhone. You can change your decisions later in settings. No, I don't want to share that. True tone display. iPhone automatically adapts to ambient lighting conditions to make colors appear consistent in different environments. You can change this later in display and brightness settings. So it says true tone, and the iPhone automatically adapts to ambient lighting conditions, make colors appear consistent, different environments. And look, this is the difference. See, this is normal, and this is with it on. It's like easier for the eyes. So, appearance, select light or dark. I'm gonna go with dark. You know, it's just the superior look. Appearance, and see how iOS adjusts depending on which one you choose. Cool. Display zoom. Oh, zoom, definitely. I like my apps bigger. I like things bigger. The phone, I got the bigger one. You know what I mean? It's just cooler. I mean, to me, it's not like, oh, everything has to be big so it's cool. I just like big, bubbly, bright, noticeable, you know, for me. That's how I prefer it. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe up and get started. Oh. Okay. Wow. Everything needs to update and download. I have, how many apps do I need to download? Let's check this out. What's new in the App Store? Blah blah blah. Okay. It's kind of different from my old iPhone, so I don't know where like update your apps is. But you know, I mean, I don't exactly know what I'm supposed to show you during an unboxing video. But it's really clean, really different. I hope it has all my music. No, it doesn't have any of my, oh. Okay, it's loading my music library, hold on. Oof. I know I have like 3,000 songs or something like that. So this is my latest music. David Bowie, Space Oddity. I'm not gonna play it because of copyright reasons, but Mount Everest by Labyrinth. Fast Car, you know, you've got a fast car, I've got a ticket to anywhere, you know. Noah Cyrus again, I mean, that song's dope. For the Night, you know, by Pop Smoke. Some Flux Pavilion. Kendrick Lamar, No Guidance, Chris Brown, Drake, you know what I mean. I got it all my music's here. That's cool. Well, I'm gonna start using my phone. I hope you guys, you know, enjoyed this video. This is like basically starting my video career. So, you know, I'll update you guys on how I like edit my videos and, you know, how I do stuff with my GoPro. Here, let me just show you something real quick. So this is my GoPro that you guys are looking at. You know what I mean? Oh, I don't know. I don't know if you can see yourself or not, but this is, you know. So hope you guys enjoyed my first video. Yeah, so this is like my starting kit. It's a iPhone 12 Pro Max, a GoPro Hero 8, and I do have a Dell Inspiron 15 7000. It's a gaming laptop, but it can't even handle video recording. I can make music and play video games on my laptop. That's all I can really do. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you guys have a good night, good day. I hope you guys have a good day, and you know, can't wait to start my YouTube career. So here we go. Peace.